Sony shooters, get ready for an exciting announcement. Rumors are swirling about a game-changing lens on the horizon. This compact zoom promises exceptional low-light performance and sharpness, elevating your photography skills to new heights. Stay tuned as we dive into the details. If the rumors are true, Sony is about to shake up the photography world with the announcement of a truly groundbreaking lens, the 24-70mm f2.0. This would be an unprecedented achievement, as no manufacturer has ever produced a zoom lens with such an extremely wide aperture across this versatile focal range before. The closest comparable lens is Canon's highly regarded 24-70mm f2.0, which has been a favorite among photographers for years. However, Sony's rumored optic promises to raise the bar even higher by expanding the wide-angle coverage to 24mm. Those extra 4mm on the wide end may not seem like much, but they make a significant difference for genres like landscape, architecture, and interior photography. According to The Buzz, this 24-70mm f2.0 lens is expected to deliver exceptional image quality befitting its premium aperture rating. While achieving such extreme light-gathering capabilities in a zoom is an immense technical challenge, reports suggest Sony has pulled it off without compromising sharpness or other optical perfection criteria. But the true magic of this lens lies in its incredible versatility. A fast 24-70mm zoom is essentially a holy grail of lenses, allowing photographers to seamlessly transition between sweeping landscapes, environmental portraits, low-light events, and so much more, all with that beautifully shallow depth of field that only an f2.0 aperture can achieve. And despite packing this optical excellence into a constant f2.0 design, the lens is rumored to maintain a relatively compact and practical form factor, similar in size to Canon's 28-70mm f2.0 variant. This would make it a true all-arounder, usable for everything from street photography to wedding videography without being prohibitively bulky or heavy. Of course, such a specialized feat of engineering won't come cheap. While pricing is still just speculation at this point, the word is that this Sony 24-70mm f2.0 lens could command a premium price tag of around $3,000 or higher when it eventually hits the market in the coming months. But the significance of this lens goes far beyond just its specs and versatility. According to sources, it appears to be the vanguard product in an entire upcoming line of super-fast zooms and primes from Sony. This suggests the camera giant has ambitious plans to push the boundaries of what's possible in lens design, potentially ushering in a new era of uncompromising optics for discerning photographers and videographers. Moreover, the rumor mill also hints at Sony working on some sort of different or exciting new camera concept slated for announcement in the latter half of this year. While details are scarce, this could mean anything from a radically redesigned mirrorless body to an entirely new product category that defies traditional camera conventions. Taken together, these rumblings paint an intriguing picture of Sony as an innovator, determined to upend mainstream expectations and redefine the boundaries of imaging equipment performance. And what better way to kick off such an ambitious undertaking than with a 24-70mm f2.0 lens that shatters long-held limitations? Of course, all this buzz and speculation should be taken with a grain of salt until Sony makes its official announcement. But if even half of these rumors prove accurate, photographers around the world may soon have access to optical capabilities that until now existed only in dreams. Only time will tell what surprises Sony has in store with this hotly anticipated lens and its wider product roadmap. But one thing is certain: if these leaks prove accurate, the world of photography and videography may be on the cusp of a genuine revolution, the likes of which we've never seen before. The future looks brighter than ever for uncompromising image makers. So, that's all about Sony's new 24-70mm f2.0 lens. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.